In this video, we're going to look at how I designed this tutor dashboard. It is a very simple dashboard that I designed that was strictly focused to the user. So let's jump in and I will walk you through how I came up with this tutor dashboard. So I started this design by drawing some wireframes so that I can dump everything that I had in my brain on the paper. So I started with this dashboard here, and first I came up with the sidebar. I wanted something that will pop, and when someone selects it, they can see menu is or where they are on the menu. And then the idea was to, when the tutor lands on this dashboard, we can show all their classes and the events that they have. So on the right, I created just a status that shows the tutor that they're online. Here they can go to settings and they can log out of their accounts using the 3 dots. And then here I came up with a calendar, so I minimized this calendar so that it can cover the whole space, so they can see the whole month, and they can see where they have a lot of events, which week they are packed, and which days they are free. So at one glance they can see how the plan of their whole month, and this just keeps them aware of what they have. Next, they had to design some cohorts, so the cohorts that they have, the students that have attended the cohort, and some metrics. That was the first idea. So let's jump to the design and see how I executed this wireframe. So this is the design that I came up with. So as you can see on the left sidebar, I had this sidebar that I wanted to pop. So when someone looks at the design, they can see the sidebar where they are on the page. Then the tutor can see the day that they are in, and a welcome screen on this side. And then they can see the number of courses they have created so far, the number of students who have enrolled and completed courses. The idea was to give more value for their data. So if you look at this card, I had a title, I had a metric of 15, and if we look at this description, it tells them they had 3 months more than the last. This at least give them an idea that they're improving, as we always see on YouTube metrics. So on our right is where I had this calendar. This calendar just gives a one shot glance at everything, so he knows that these 2 days is having some events or some classes. So like here, the tutor can see that they have the classes that they had to attend on this day. So we have a 15-minute reminder. That's just for them to aware, because it will send a notification to them. And the last part was the metrics. I designed this one to be a tab, so that when one clicks on this one, student performance, they see the student performance. If they click on the next metric, it collapses, and the one it's clicked expands, and they see the metric below. That was the idea for this design. The main focus of the design was to give the tutor a good experience, a clean and minimal look that is not cluttered, and also a vibrant and a joyful look when they enter the dashboard. So this is just a simple dashboard that can achieve that, and I designed some more pages just to show you how all this ties in. So if you click on the colors, you can see there's a pop-up that tells you how many students are online and are ready to join your class. So if you click on start class, it was to open a Zoom link and the students could join. Next, if you go to the assignment, I created this just to show the steps, just to show how it is visually clear on the side menu if you switch. So if I switch, you can see it is very clear this tutor is on which tab. This helps define that line very clean. Next, I designed another pop-up just to create assessments, and next I created a new page where the tutor could see the students who have submitted their assessments, and they can download all those ones. They can download the assessments, they can search which student they want, and they can also see which student is online and which student is not. By clicking download, the tutor downloads the file, grades, then reads the file, can grade the student and leave a comment for the student. So that's it for this. I will leave the link to this whole in the description box. If you want, you can come and tweak it how you want. It's all free. Just subscribe if you feel like I've earned it. All this was a learning experience for me. If you have any comments, leave them below, and if you have any way I can improve this, you can also suggest in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and bye.